Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do the unboxing of CMF by Nothing Watch Pro. So let's get started. So let's open the box. This is the box of our CMF by Nothing Watch Pro. Let's open it. This is the seal. And this is our watch. As you can see here, this is the charger and the user guide. The charger is normal one, which is in 5V and noise. Normal charger can be seen here. Let's remove the belt. So normal belt. So the belt looks great. It is very flexible और belt अच्छी quality का है. The belt looks really great. So now let's come to the watch, the main part of the video. So here is our watch. So let's turn it on. Great. काफ़ी स्मूथ है चलने में. It's very smooth. So as you can see here, मैंने वॉच पहले ही सेटअप कर लिया था. I have already set up the watch because उसमें टाइम लगता है and all, you know. तो वॉच का सेटअप इज़ डन. CMF by वॉच का एक सॉफ्टवेयर है, you have to install it. So let's put on the belt. So as you can see here, the watch is looking really great. So इसके अंदर ही बात करें तो it is very smooth, amazing. As you know guys, Nothing का OS सिस्टम भी काफ़ी स्मूथ दिया गया है. Just like that, इसका भी वैसा ही दिया हुआ है. So let's wear it and check. Wow, it's just looking amazing. So first let's talk about the design. The CMF by Nothing Smartwatch Pro features a sleek and minimalist design with a lightweight and comfortable build. Display: it boasts a vibrant AMOLED display with crisp resolution. It has 1.96-inch display. You can enjoy battery life up to 7 days. It has fitness tracking. It has IP68 water resistance, which can also be even worn in a swimming pool. It has smart features and it can be connected to iOS as well as Android. You can customize the watch face according to your choice. Thank you viewers for watching this video, and I would suggest you to purchase this watch if you are interested. Thank you.